Hello my dear students, this is Maimuna Bombewala, your guide and mentor for organic chemistry, and in this series of videos we are talking about carbocations. हमने हमारे last videos में carbocations क्या होते हैं, what are the properties of carbocations, how carbocations are prepared, and we also talked about stabilities of carbocations. Do watch the videos, and in this video we are talking about a very unique property shown by carbocation, that is rearrangement. Very unique, very significant. Rearrangement property of carbocation. See, as I've already explained you that carbocations are nothing but reaction intermediates. मतलब reactant और product के बीच में these are formed, you know, and they are just there for some time and instantly they become product, right? They are as such, you cannot separate or isolate a carbocation. It's a reaction intermediate, but in that phase also हर reaction stability acquire करने के लिए होता है. तो अगर एक comparatively less stable carbocation है, तो that carbocation will get converted into the more stable one by means of reaction called as rearrangement. जैसे हमने हमारे last few videos में बोला कि 3 degree is more stable than 2 degree, which is more stable than 1 degree carbocation, right? So let us see how this rearrangement will occur, so that in case there is a 1 degree carbocation, it can become 3 degree, or if it can become 2 degree. Whatever is possible for that carbocation, it will undergo rearrangement. Let us see the rearrangement reaction for carbocation. Rearrangement is nothing but some group from position 1 will go to position 2. मतलब molecule टूटेगा नहीं, molecule में कुछ नया ऐड नहीं होगा, कुछ सब्सट्रैक्ट नहीं होगा, बस एक ग्रुप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर चला जाएगा. जनरली ये जितने भी रीअरेंजमेंट्स होते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड एज 1-2 रीअरेंजमेंट्स. मतलब दो एडजेसेंट कार्बन्स पर रीअरेंजमेंट्स होंगे, दो एडजेसेंट कार्बन्स पर रीअरेंजमेंट्स होंगे. और जब हम रीअरेंजमेंट्स ऑफ कार्बोकेटायंस की बात करते हैं, तो देर आर 2 इंपॉर्टेंट रीअरेंजमेंट्स, 2 मैकेनिज्म्स बाय विच दे अकर. One is called as a hydride shift and the other is called as an alkyl shift. So let us see how this 1-2 rearrangement will occur by these mechanisms. Let us take for example one example here. जैसे कि for example CH2 positively charged, CH3 for example, a compound like this. My dear students, this is a 1 degree carbocation. That what is 1 degree? 1 degree is any radical or any carbocation which is in discussion is directly attached to one carbon or none. One or none. So this is 1. So that is why this carbocation is a 1 degree carbocation. Correct? Now we know that 3 degree is more stable than 2 degree, which is more stable than 1 degree. So it will prefer to convert in that instance, in that fraction of second, it will prefer to convert from 1 degree to 2 degree या 3 degree. जो भी फ्लोर मिल जाए, जो ज्यादा स्टेबल है, that will be the preferred shift. ठीक है? तो कैसे होगा देखिए. अगर मान लीजिए हम बात कर रहे हैं हाइड्राइड शिफ्ट की, ये देखिए, look at the hydride shift. What will happen? See, this hydrogen along with electrons will come and attack here. देखिए, हम इसको प्रोटॉन शिफ्ट नहीं बोल रहे. प्रोटॉन जब हम बोलते हैं तो इट इज H पॉजिटिव, मतलब H अकेला बिना इलेक्ट्रॉन के जब जाता. मैंने देखिए ऐसे बताया कि इलेक्ट्रॉन लपेट के लेके जा रहा है. हाइड्राइड इज when the electrons are taken up by that proton, it is referred to as hydride shift. And see what will you get by this mechanism called as hydride shift. You will get CH3 C, CH3 CH2 plus 1 CH3 एंड बिकॉज ये इलेक्ट्रॉन यहां से लेके गया, यहां पर बन गया एक नया कार्बोकेटाइन. सी लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज 1-2 शिफ्ट वंस अगेन. देखिए फॉर एग्जांपल 1 और 2, ये दो पोजीशन के बीच में रीअरेंजमेंट ऐसे नहीं होता. रीअरेंजमेंट दैट इट इज अकरिंग फ्रॉम 1 पोजीशन एंड मे बी 7th पोजीशन. इट इज डूइंग, दे आर डूइंग रीअरेंजमेंट जस्ट एट द एडजेसेंट पोजीशन. थोड़ा सा तू वहां से हट जा, थोड़ा मैं एडजस्ट हो जाता हूं. दैट मेक्स मी मोर कंफर्टेबल इन दिस चेयर. That is what is called as rearrangement. We are not doing a rearrangement. For example, वो last bench का student को उठा के यहाँ लाके रख दिया. We are just doing in between the adjacent carbons. 1-2 shift. Okay. And 1-2 में भी किसको shift कर रहे हैं? Hydride को. Hydride मतलब क्या? Hydrogen along with electrons. So what is the product that I get? I get another carbocation, which is now, see, this carbon is directly attached to 3 methyl groups. Hence, this is a 3-degree carbocation. Wow, this is one of the best things that we could have done, because 3 degree is more stable than 2 degree, which is more stable than 1 degree, and this we have proved in our last video. Now have a look at this. If I talk about mechanism for alkyl shift, suppose I talk about alkyl shift now, what will happen here? This alkyl group along with electrons goes to this methyl group, and what remains is CH3, CH as it is now, CH2, and on this CH2, CH3, because it is positive, electrons के साथ alkyl group jar, and what will happen here on this carbon? There will be a positive charge. So this carbon here is now which type? It is attached directly to 2 methyl या 2 carbons, hence it is a secondary carbocation. It is a secondary carbocation. So by hydride shift you get a 3 degree, by alkyl shift you get a 2 degree. And my dear students, always remember कि जहां पर देखो ये circumstances हर केस में मिलेंगे ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. जब पॉसिबिलिटी है हाइड्राइड शिफ्ट होने की, तो always hydride shift will be the preferred shift over the alkyl shift. Always hydride shift होने के chances ज्यादा और alkyl shift होने के chances कम. क्यों कम? क्योंकि hydride is giving you a better possibility, more stability. 1 degree से सीधा जंप मार रहा है 3 degree पर, या alkyl shift से only 2 degree. So that is why always hydride shift is the preferred shift over alkyl shift. क्योंकि maximum times hydride shift से you will get more stable carbocation. I hope you've liked this series on carbocations. We'll be soon be publishing videos on free radicals, wherein we'll be talking about synthesis, structure, stability, and all the details, all the different named reactions also related to free radicals. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.